Most of us keep a very busy everyday routine, and so we don't always have enough time to take care of our skin properly. It shows. Our skin is exposed to the sun, dirt, and other harsh elements that might end up causing problems, such as breakouts, blemishes, and premature aging. But don't worry, here we'll tell you how to take care of your skin before bed with natural things you can find easily. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera contains incredible properties that can help your skin. It is a great moisturizer, astringent, helps reduce acne, and heal any irritation. 2. Raw milk. Did you know that milk is one of the best exfoliants for the skin? Milk is good for the face, thanks to its high levels of lactic acid, a substance that has a repairing and revitalizing effect on any skin type, including dry and sensitive skin. 3. Rose water. It helps eliminate scars, burns, and blemishes. It prevents wrinkles and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Rose water helps reduce the redness of the skin and treat conditions such as acne, dermatitis, or skin ulcers. 4. Potato juice. Potato juice is ideal if you want to have fairer skin. It combats facial blemishes, reduces wrinkles, dark circles, and acne. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a powerful moisturizer. Its high content of fatty acids, vitamin E and K, and lauric acid makes it an excellent facial moisturizer that also deeply nourishes the skin of the face and gives it luminosity. 6. Honey. Natural honey has properties that help the skin to regenerate easily, making it ideal for treating scars. Thanks to the natural enzymes it contains, honey is capable of giving the skin extreme hydration. 7. Green tea. Green tea rejuvenates skin cells, and thanks to this, it can slow down premature skin aging and the appearance of wrinkles. It is a natural tonic with which you can achieve a total cleaning of the skin, removing impurities of all kinds. Benefits of using natural things is that it does not have side effects. Choose any one of these ingredients and try using it. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put out the new video.